Okay, here's a quick little video of my switch setup I have in my Qui Gon, and this is using a rubber grommet cut in half to act sort of like a spring. And as you can tell, I don't have this epoxy down yet, but I have the little bushing around the thumb screw, and you can see the thumb screw still sticks up above it, and according to the drawing it does call for one of these bushings. And on the inside I made a little piece out of Delrin to hold the switch, and it goes on top of the batteries. I'll show that setup later on. But I got my multimeter to measure the continuity, so I press the button. So you don't have to press it that hard. So that worked out pretty good. I think that's going to work pretty well for these sabers. And let me see if I can show a picture of the inside. You can't really see good, but what I have is I have a little coupling, 832 coupling, and the thumb screw goes into one side, and on the other side I fed through a set screw, that way I could adjust the length of it that I needed. And I cut a little piece out of Delrin to fit over the batteries that will stay in place with a coupling on top of it. And this worked out very well. I was very pleased with it. Well, that's it. Thanks for looking.